been one of those hot and humid days today again. It's trying to rain. So, what did I do? Well, I dug this old 2.5 out the container because Nick wants to bring me down a Defender that hasn't got an engine in it. Well, I've got this one, so I thought I'd get it to run. I've been on it all day. All day. I couldn't get it to run when it was in the truck. There was something wrong with it. Oh, that's right. Yeah, I remember. Wait a minute. God, I want a mess down here. Oh, where's it gone now? Just a second. Let me go and have a look for it. Well, could you believe it? I can't find it. I might find it at the end of the video, but it's the end of the shaft off the injector pump. I'll put it down somewhere. I can't bloody find it now. Anyway, the top and bottom of it is I hooked it up to a battery here, fuel tank here. You can't see from my light. I've got my light on. Right, there you go. So there's a fuel tank here. Filters hanging off a piece of Dexian. Should run. I've rigged up a very primitive switch system, just using a pair of pliers. Thus, we'll put the starter wire on. There we go. I'm not going to start it for a long time because it already is warm, and there is no cooling system on it. Not only that, the oil in it was the only oil I could find that was, because I didn't know if it was a good engine or not. I thought it might have been not very good, so I put 530 in it because I had some left over. So it's a bit smoky. Plus I've been trying to start it all afternoon, so it's full of diesel and it smokes like a son of a bitch. Anyway, let's have a go, see if it'll start. See what I mean about smoke? The timing's just a bit off. It's there, through the smoke. A bit lumpy, but I think it'll be alright. Anyway, all 68 horsepower working together. Those ponies were, well, pumping away. So anyway, that's it, it's a runner. I don't know what it's going to be like in a car, but at least we know the compression's good. I cracked off all the pipes and they were perfect. It is a bit buttery. But then again, that could be me. You know, air in the system, because it isn't really a good, it isn't a particularly good setup. There's loads and loads of joints and air bubbles in that pipe. So until we get something concrete, that's it. So, I'm going to have a tidy up here, clean all this lot up, and then yeah, I think it's sherry time. So anyway, that's that done. And oh, I can put the front cover on and get all that finished. But first, a nice refreshing glass of sherry. I found the part I was looking for. It was this piece. You can see it's sheared off. This went onto an injector pump and drove the head. So that rendered the original pump useless. However, one of the things I was rambling on about was this bit. This goes under the pump and this moves in and out like this for advance and retard. There's a diaphragm in here, but the old 2.5 naturally aspirated diesel didn't have this bit on. So what I did was I took this one off and I swapped it over from the body of the other one, and it seemed to work a lot better. I think maybe this was, something was wrong with it. I don't know. Like I said, there was all sorts of bits and pieces going wrong with this engine this afternoon. But anyway, we got it running. Nice one.